So we came down to our secret spot last light, but the secret is there's no mule deer here. Can't take the guy anywhere. All right, it is the third weekend of October, and it's been an unusually dry year. We got some rain in the early archery season, and that was been it. It's been completely dry since then. Until last night, we woke up to a foot of snow. We're out here in the pumpkin patch, as you can see, but it's opening day of the Utah rifle hunt. So our game plan for this hunt is just to cover country. This is the opposite of a roadless unit. As you can see, there's roads everywhere. So it's a lot of driving and glassing, hike into a ridge, glassing over. You can't really get away from the people, so it's just a matter of finding that buck bedded to where other people can't see him. But yeah, it's cold, it's 22 degrees. Snow down where we're at, it's about 6 inches. At our trailer we're at a foot of snow. So it's supposed to get warmer as the week goes on. We've really been grinding it out in the truck, you know. Road hunters can't kill them from the road if you're not on the road. But man, we're passing some really good country that there should be deer in. I think this snow and cold, it's really the first cold night they've had all year. Dropped down to mid-teens last night and we're sitting mid-20s right now, but it's the first time they've seen snow since spring, so I think that they're just kind of held up. We're finding a couple tracks, them heading to water. So the name of the game is just going to be finding them bedded up in these quakey patches. Luckily all the leaves are down so you can see into them a little bit. Yeah, just covering country. It's chilly, but it's a good time. It's still 8 in the morning, opening morning, and we've already covered a lot of ground. Nobody's really been down where we're at right now. So it's big quakey patch on the south facing and pines on the north. I don't think they're going to be held up in the north side. So we're just going to keep glaring on the south facing slopes a couple to west facing, and we'll find one eventually. They're in here. Right, it's morning of day 2. We're gonna wake up a half hour before shooting light. We slept in until shooting light. So we left the truck right when it was legal to hunt, but we've got to drop. We're gonna try to drop about 1,500 feet of elevation. We spent all day yesterday in the top country glassing and just didn't turn up really any deer. So we're thinking they've pushed lower with this cold snap. It's up to 30 degrees right now, but it's getting pretty chilly in the night, plus the snow. So we're hoping that dropping elevation will bring us some luck. Good thing is with this snow, we're able to find their tracks and glass them and walk them out. So we're just on our way to low country, just stopped to glass this face as the sun's getting ready to show itself. So the scenic might change a little bit. I want to get into some more Oak Brush Canyon, see if we can find something down there. Alright, just checking out Onyx here. I did this road a long time ago, but probably on a 4-wheeler. I don't know if you can see the mud that we got ourselves into, but it's a little hairy. My truck's a new color. It's not silver anymore. And there's somebody else coming up behind us in the side-by-side. So we're gonna figure out where we're going here. This is a little nasty. Evening day 2. We just came back to the trailer to switch vehicles. As you can see from this morning's footage, the roads have gotten too sloppy for a truck, so we're back to the machine. We're gonna go on a long jaunt clear to the other side of the unit and drop down some more elevation, kind of like we did this morning. We had a little bit more luck there. It's starting to snow again right now, so the deer are going to be held up, but the plan is to get cross elevation of some canyons and glass back into the Quakies just like we've been doing. And it's gonna be a cold, long drive, but we've got steaks on the fire tonight, so there'll be something to look forward to.
Alright, Sawyer, I'm on him. Yep. Kill him when you're ready. He's looking to the left. What? Looking to the left. Yep. Okay. I think you thumped him. Let's go.
Got him. It's the night of day 2. That's the first buck we've seen. In 3 days. I was up here scouting for 5 days before that. The weather's been pretty brutal. We are soaked. We've been gone. We left the trailer early today and came back. And been in the rain, in the snow. We are completely soaked. Just drenched. And there is 10 minutes left of light. We were heading back to the trailer. We were gonna call it, and I was like, dude, screw it. We're already cold. We're already miserable. Let's go try one more spot. We actually tried this. I've tried it 3 times earlier in the week. Yesterday when the hunt started, never even saw deer in here. And I come around the corner, and this buck is with another 2-point. He's a 2x3, hit his ears. Just a 3.5-year-old deer, but I'm freaking stoked. I've been hunting this unit since I was 14. I killed my first deer when I was 14, just a couple miles north of here. And it's pretty cool. My brother rolls in here in about 20 minutes actually. He's got a tag. So we're gonna grind it out tomorrow before it ends. And man, I'm stoked. That was fun.
Dude, give me some.